अब इसके बाद में अपनी एक और स्टूडेंट जो 10th क्लास से जिनका ताल्लुक है, नादिया फारूक, मैं उन्हें दावत दूंगा कि वो स्टेज पर तशरीफ़ लाएं और अपना स्पीच जो है वो पेश करें।
Failure is not fatal until we surrender. Trying again is the key of glorious victory. Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to all of you. I am Nadia. I am a student and I am studying 10th standard at Royal Academy Islamic School Ghat. I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to Institute for Intellectual Development and Royal Academy for imparting us the art of public speaking. Today, I am going to deliver my speech on the topic, Never Give Up. If I hold mic in my hand and addressing such an elite gathering, if I am audible to such great gathering, it is because of power. Ladies and gentlemen, don't judge me wrong. I am not talking about muscle power. I should not talk on it. I am talking about the efforts that Thomas Edison invented the light bulb. He made back-breaking efforts to achieve this goal. But do you know the kind of effort during the course of his mission? He failed many times. He failed hundreds of times. In fact, he failed 10,000 times. But he never lost his heart. He never felt disappointed. He never gave up. And every time he failed, his enthusiasm doubled up to reach his goal. And he said, I'm not failed, I'm just found 10,000 ways that won't work. The dark night turns into bright day. The bright day turns into darkness. Life is all about ups and downs, joys and sorrows, success and failures. Nothing stays permanently, and in the process of achieving big goals, we come across big problems, many obstacles, many challenges. We lose our confidence, and eventually we give up. Ladies and gentlemen, we gave up at a stage without knowing that we are just a step away from the goal which we are trying to reach. We gave up at a stage without knowing that we almost made it. My dear brothers and sisters, difficulties, problems, obstacles, challenges, you come across all of them if you want to become successful individual. No successful man has become successful in an overnight. Everyone has gone through rough paths, bumpy road, sleepless night, empty stomach, rejections and disappointments. In the process of achieving something good, something great, something big, we have to be strong. We have to fight the difficulties. We have to face the hurdles. But we should never give up in any circumstances. Life may knock you down many times, but never remain down. But rather stand up and try again and again, because winners never quit and quitters never win. I end up my talk with the quote of former President of India, APJ Abdul Kalam, who said, difficulties in your life do not come to destroy you, but help you realize your hidden potential and power. Let difficulties know that you too are difficult. Thank you so much indeed for your cooperation.